Good morning from Mrs Jurkiewicz at the Dyslexia Day Centre. Today we are going to look at the add, double and drop rules. But before we start on that, we're going to look at short and long vowel sounds. The short vowel sounds are a, e, o, a. Do you notice I've put a little smiley shape on the top to show that they are the short sound? The long vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and they have a line over the top of them to show that they are making a long sound. Unfortunately, when we are reading, we don't know whether a sound is short or long. Let's have a look at our vowel cards. Now you probably have some of these in your pack. This one says apple, a, alien, a. Egg, evil, e. The evil eagle has laid the egg. Igloo, ice, I. Octopus, ocean, o. Umbrella, unicorn, u. It is important to know about short and long vowels when we look at suffixing rules. Here's a reminder for you about what a suffix is. A suffix is a letter or letters added to the end of a base word to change how the word is used. What do we do if we want to change a verb, that's a doing or being word, such as stand, into standing? We just add ing. It's the same with help, helping, think, thinking, jump, jumping. Have a look at the first black word, dig. Now look on the other side where the blue words are and see if you can find the matching word with a suffix. That's right, it's number 3. Dig, digging. Now let's look at the next one. Tap. Look down the blue words. Can you find the answer? Number 5, tapping. Now pause your video and see if you can match up all the words. What do you notice? Yes, that's right. The last letter doubles each time. But why does it do that? Have a look at these words. Match each one to its partner. Number 1 is stand. Look for its partner with its suffix on the other side. That's right, it's number 5, standing. Stand, standing. Let's have a look at the next one. Hop, hopping. Right, now stand didn't double, but hop does double. Let's just have a look at the next one. Clap. Can you find clapping on the other side? That's right, it's number 9. Clap, clapping. And that one doubles. Have a look at these words. Match each one to its partner. What do you notice? Can you spot the pattern? Pause your video. What do you notice? The last letter doubles before the suffix is added. Dig, then D-I-G-G-I-N-G, digging. We call this the doubling rule. Let's have a closer look at words that double before adding a suffix. Here I've put a VC over the top of hop. O is a vowel, a short vowel. The P is a consonant. This is when we do the doubling rule. We double the last letter and then add a vowel suffix, like in rub, rubbing, and get, getting. Now have a look at these words. Chat, chatted. The letter doubles. Grab, grabbed. Double. Tap, tapped. Double. This is because the base word chat, grab, tap have a VC ending, a vowel consonant ending. You might notice that the ED makes a different sound at the end of some words. In these ones, chatted makes an id sound, grabbed makes a d sound, and tapped makes a t sound. So you need to be on the lookout for these. Look at this word, planted, id. Its middle letter doesn't double, but it still makes an id sound. Listen to the end of this one, watered, d. Picked, t. So watch out for these tricky ed endings, making the id, d and t sound when you are spelling. So we've looked at the add rule and the doubling rule. Now we're going to look at the drop rule. What happens when we want to add a vowel suffix to a word ending with E? Like, liking. Hope, hoping. What happened there? We dropped the E and added ing. What happens when we want to add the vowel suffix ed to a word? Like, liked. Hope, hoped. We do the same thing. Drop the E and add ed. Now we're going to see if we can play a game and you can sort out these words into add, double and drop. Let's have a look. Our base word here is brush and we want to add ing. Which set is it going to go in? Brush plus ing. It's an add. We can just add the ing. Let's have a look at this one. Rub. Rub plus ing. This one is a short vowel consonant ending, and so we're going to double. Let's have a look at this one. What do you notice about that word? It ends with an E, so we're going to drop the E and add the ing. Let's have a look at this one. Hide plus ing. Which set do you think it's going to go in? Did you say drop rule? Hide loses its E and adds the ing. Let's have a look at this one. Snap plus ing. That's got a short vowel a, snap, followed by a consonant. What do you think? Where's it going to go? It's a double, snapping. And our last one is hand plus ing. Where's it going to go? Add. And it's goodbye from Mrs Jurkiewicz and Alfie, who's learnt something today about the add, double and drop rule.